Single shot loader made by Darko, 3D printed. Hello YouTube, hello Facebook, hello Instagram. You know I'm shooting the Daystate Red Wolf and it has 1, 2, 3 power settings, pre-programmed from factory, low, medium and high. At the low settings it shoots the JSB Heavies, picobello. Spot on, laser accurate, it's unbelievable. And here, the monsters redesigned, 25 grain. They shoot perfectly at the high setting. Always curious what the difference is on impact, so today I will shoot both pellets on a block of ice. I will film them slow motion to see the difference of impact. Nothing very special, but slow-mos are always fun and slow motions of ice are always great.